Are you struggling to keep your audience engaged? Email automation could be your solution. It helps nurture your subscribers and guides them through the conversion funnel. Introducing Campaigner's intuitive visual builder. Create simple or advanced automation workflows effortlessly. Plus, expand your campaigns to SMS. Connect with customers where they prefer, increasing engagement significantly. Did you know that SMS boosts email open rates by 30%? Or that 90% of SMS messages are read in just 3 minutes? Visualize your entire customer journey using our drag and drop builder. Validate your workflow with a click before launching, ensuring seamless communication. Send tailored messages based on your customers' buying stages. Nurture contacts to convert them into loyal customers, and encourage repeat purchases. Choose from a wide array of events and triggers based on engagement, opens, clicks, and goal completions. Utilize conditional logic to implement binary conditions or check engagement status. Track conversions and optimize your workflows by scheduling messages for maximum engagement. Experience dynamic content by personalizing emails for each subscriber. We even offer third-party integrations to streamline your campaigns. Don't just take our word for it, experience Campaigner risk-free. Sign up for our 30-day, full-featured free trial today. Start transforming your email automation now.